Hello everyone. All right, on this video I'd like to show you what you can take to cleanse your body from these parasites. So as you can see, we got pumpkin seed, we got papaya seed, we got activated charcoal. To once the parasites die, it will basically remove, help remove them out of your body. Oregano oil, and then number one parasite cleanser from Amazon. I'll put the link under the description. And then this one, Tudka, it opens up your channels, like you release channels. So definitely gotta start with this for at least for a week, one capsule daily for 7 days before you jump on, especially before you start this parasite cleanser. You got black seed oil, and then you got 1 gallon of water, and finally you got garlic too. So yeah, what I did is I just finished my 7-day Tudka, preparing my body, and then today I'm going to start with this one, the Look Hair. I think what brand is it? Look Hair. Yeah, this one has the most powerful parasite killers: the wormwood, black walnut, cloves, garlic. Those things. So and then the number one seed that kills parasites, number one seed is papaya seed. So since it's difficult to find an organic papaya seed, dried one on Amazon, you might as well just buy organic avocado, organic papaya, and then dry the seeds. And yeah, so of course also pumpkin seed also kills parasites, but this one is the most powerful, and then this is second powerful. So yeah, so today 1 capsule of this in the morning, and then maybe 1 teaspoon of this on an empty stomach, and then just after, yeah. But basically, if you ask ChatGPT the protocol, she'll tell you what you have to do. Of course, you don't want to bombard yourself with all this at once, but little by you start little, and then you just build your way up. So yeah, I hope this helps anybody who is trying to research what is the best way to get rid of yourself from parasites. Because even though you don't have any symptoms, definitely if you have not done this cleansing protocol, yeah, parasites are quietly growing in your system, and then eventually they're gonna bring you more problem. So that's why we gotta get rid of them and cleanse ourselves. And definitely when you are doing this, you need to drink at least 1 gallon of water a day. So I have this glass jar. I'm gonna leave it outside in the sun, so the warmer is better than cold. And then throughout the day, just drink this, because without this, you cannot flush all the dead parasites. Also, garlic, you can consume 1 clove daily with olive oil or with black seed oil, or you can just make sure that you chop it very well, and then leave it there for like 10 minutes so that it can activate. Don't cook it or anything, just raw, and then sprinkle it on your food, or with, by itself, or mix it with what is this, olive oil or black seed oil, and then consume that every day, because this one also kills amazing amount of parasites. So yeah, you don't have to spend a fancy expensive kits for cleansing parasite. This is basically this is the best combination right here that you can find. So I hope this helps anybody. I'm sorry I cannot get in detail into the protocol because it's a step by step, but ChatGPT will write you, or Google AI or Gemini will write you a good protocol on how you can start. And you might even see them coming out of your body, through your stool or whatever. But and also, yeah, you cannot take this more than 10 days straight. Yeah, 10 days maximum, and then you gotta give yourself a break. So there is like many steps, So, but yeah, it's not complicated. But you have it right here. All right, guys. Hope this helps. All right, take care.